Hello everyone, in this video we solve an interesting exponential German math question. Here our question is 2 to the x plus 1 plus 2 to the x is equal to 48. We find out what is the value of x. If you practice USA and Olympiad level math question, please subscribe to the channel for more videos. First of all, 2 to the x plus 1, I can write it 2 to the x times 2 to the power 1 according to exponential rules. Then plus 2 to the x is equal to 48. Here I can see easily here 2 to the x and 2 to the x, it will be common. So 2 to the x times 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the x divide 2 to the x, it will be 1 is equal to 48. Then 2 to the x times 2 to the 1 is 2, 2 plus 1, it will be 3 is equal to 48. Then if I divide both sides by 3, it will be 3 is cancel out. So 2 to the x is equal to 48 divided by 3, it will be 16. Then 2 to the x is equal to 16 is 2 to the power 4. 16 is 2 to the power 4, I can write it. Then here bases are same. So x is equal to 4. This is our final answer. Thank you so much.